Hey, just a quick thing on how to delete a project if you need to delete it. I know that's super simple, but like a lot of people are starting off. So for new people, just click on it, click browse, and go up one, and then look for the exact project you're trying to get rid of. And as you can see, we're in documents, Unreal projects. You want to delete the whole big folder. All right, so I'm going to just delete test. Just going to click on it, and I'm just going to hit the delete button, and then empty your recycle bin because it's in your recycle bin if you want to. But then I can close this, and then I refresh this, and it goes away. And that is it. All right. Just wanted to share that. Bye.